Hi, were you wondering if the new Magsafe charger works well with your iPhone 11? Then this video is for you. Let's begin by just unboxing the Magsafe charger. So this is how it looks like. Circular, white, not white, silver. And does it stick to the phone? Yeah, looks like it sticks because it has got magnet, but it seems it's not that much firm. So only in the center of your phone, on the center back of your phone, it might uh, stick there for a while, but it might slide down again depending upon the inclination. So let's give it a test. One thing that I forgot to say is you need to buy a separate USB-C power brick if you don't have one. So I had to get one online, and then now it's ready. Let's test it. So I just need to place the phone over the MagSafe charger. Looks like something isn't right here. Maybe I'm not positioning my phone well. I think it needs to be on the exact center. Let me try it through a different angle. Okay, looks like it's working now, but it has fallen down because it doesn't stick well. So even though there's little bit of magnet working with the iPhone 11's frame, it won't hold there for all the time. So it's best to place on some flat surfaces and place phone on top of the charger. So let's try different angles for the Magsafe charger. I'm just holding it a certain position here, and then let me move it to the different parts of the phone, and looks like it doesn't work. It needs to be at the center somewhere around the Apple logo. I'm moving the Magsafe charger from the bottom of the phone to the top, and then this is only where it works, and then as you can see it's currently sticking to the phone. And then again, if I make a slight movement, it will slide down. So this is it. The Apple MagSafe charger works well with your iPhone 11 or any phone that supports C wireless charging. And then if you want to know how long did it take for me to charge the phone, just check the comment section below. I'll update the comment section for my phone to be charged fully from this MagSafe charger. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.